Okay, hello everyone. My name is Cronos Immanuel, and today I will share my career aspiration as a civil engineering student in University of Gadjah Mada after graduation. That is to become a civil engineering consultant. Before we'll start talking about the how, we're gonna talk about the why. And as we can see on the slide, there's some infrastructure major problem that Indonesians still face. For example, there's some severely damaged roads in Jakarta, floods in 2026, where 81 neighborhoods and 15 roads were just submerged recently. And we also see some tragic structural failures, such as the Al-Khazini tragedy, which raise questions about construction integrity, and these aren't just technical errors, they impact lives also. Okay, we move on. Now we move to the profession goals. This is why I aspire to be a civil engineering consultant. As a consultant, I have some responsibility goes far beyond calculations. It involves infrastructure planning and design, performing technical and feasibility analysis, and conducting risk evaluations. Our role is to provide the engineering recommendation that supports critical decision before we making any construction or before even the construction begin. Okay, why consulting? First, I have a deep interest in analytical and strategic problem solving, and also being a consultant offers the unique opportunity for me to influence the quality of the infrastructure from the very early stages. And also it is the perfect blend, in my opinion, between engineering expertise and also the professional services. Furthermore, it offers me the exposure and the diverse projects, and eventually it gave me the opportunity to develop my own engineering consulting business. The work of a consultant has a direct impact on humanity. By designing safe transportation system and improving the access to the public's infrastructure, we enhance the public safety. Ultimately, reliable structural planning improves the overall quality of every life for every citizen. However, we must also look at our impact on the nature or the surroundings environment. As a consultant, I want to integrate environmental impact and also take it into considerations to our designs, to my designs. This means that we have to promote the energy efficiency in our infrastructure, reducing resource consumption, and supporting sustainable drainage and flood mitigation systems. We must minimize environmental damage before the first stone is laid. Okay, next, this is the relation to the sustainable development. This goal aligns perfectly with the Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs. Specifically is the SDGs 9 for industry, innovation, and infrastructure. And also there is SDGs 11, it's for sustainable cities. And also there is SDGs 13 for climate action. And I also put the national contribution and the ethics. So for our contribution to national development is vital. That means that our goals is to improve economic connectivity and also optimizing public investment. We reduce infrastructure risk and also support sustainable urban growth for Indonesia. None of this is possible without ethical responsibilities. I commit to integrity and also objectivity, prioritizing public safety and also maintaining transparency in every technical recommendation while strictly complying with engineering standards. So for my career developments, my roadmap is clear. First of all, I will graduate from University of Gajah Mada as an civil engineering student with good grades and experiences. And next, I will gain experience in my firms, and also I will obtain my certification as a professional engineering. And finally, eventually, I hope that I will establish an independent consulting firm. Okay, for a conclusion, for me, being a consultant is building a safer and sustainable world. So, thank you everyone for listening to my aspiration. See you next time.